Let's talk about the installation of double power points. Double power points are a great addition to your home, very simple to install, and here's how you do it. Firstly, we put down a drop sheet to catch any dust or ceiling space particles. Then we simply disconnect cabling and remove the existing power point. We check the existing cabling is compliant with Australian standards. If the cabling is okay, then we readjust the hole in the wall to suit the new power point size. We then connect the cabling to the new power point and reinstall. We can tidy up any mess or debris and then re-energise the electricity and test the new power point. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to know more, please check out our website or get in contact with us. See you next time.